To add some simple fog to your scene, simply go to the Shading tab, and in the World Shading, just add a Volume Scatter node and connect it to Volume. You can adjust the density, make it a higher number for a thicker fog, but be careful not to make it too high, otherwise you won't be able to see anything. This simple fog effect might be everything you need. For greater control over the fog, simply add a Texture Coordinate node, add a Vector Math node, set the vector to length, plug in the camera to get the distance between the camera, and then simply add a mapped range node. The first number is going to be the number at which point the fog starts. The second number is going to be where the fog reaches its maximum density, and then you have your starting density and your final density. And that's it. Hopefully everything is working perfectly for you, but if you're using Eevee and getting strange results, especially for large scenes, open up your Render Settings tab, go to Volumetrics, and make sure that your end clipping for volumetrics is large enough for your scene.